Hi.
Look at that train.
Yeah, it's going pretty fast.
Oh yeah? I forgot the train is also filled with toxic chemicals.
Oh my gosh.
It also has no air brakes.
Just like you won't have any air soon, old man.
Good one.
But really, how are we going to stop the train?
Let's put a planet behind the train so that the gravitational pull will cause the train to decelerate.
I think your age is getting to you, because that idea is crazy.
Okay.
I think I have the right amount of materials to make a planet. Just give me a second.
When I was young, I only needed half a second.
Okay.
That's right, son.
I'm done. The planet is right behind us.
And look, there comes the train.
It's getting slower and slower, kind of like you, old man.
Haha.
Mission accomplished. Ooh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Let me ride that planet.